Okay, so here's our first, the Jedi Joy Rich Show, first batch of avocado infused cannabis oil. We use GMO free avocado oil, and we use the finest herb available in Panama. Now, the method we used was a combination method of what we've seen a lot of people use to infuse oil. And some people have used another method to make Rick Simpson oil. So we thought, hey, Jedi Joy doesn't like the concept of using isopropyl alcohol in the house. And I thought, well, what would be another method we could do? And so what I did was I created another method, slightly hybrid version of several different ones I've seen.